Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter 2 dimensional coordinate geometry. In last class we discussed the fundamentals of the 2D and the distance formula, application of distance formula, okay, and some problems. And one question that is homework for that was homework for you. That question is this. Okay. Now let's solve this question. What is the question? The question is what? If the points x comma y are equidistant, if the points x comma y are equidistant from the points, if the point x comma y are equidistant from the point a plus b comma b minus a and a minus b comma a plus b, then prove that bx is equal to ay. This is the question which was the homework for you. Now solution. Suppose this is p of x comma y and this is the point, and this is the point what, that is point a. Suppose a plus b comma b minus a, this is point. Join this. Another point here, that is what? Suppose this is point b, that is a minus b comma a plus b. Okay. According to question, that is distance of fp is equal to distance of bp. Now what is distance of fp? That is x minus of a plus b whole square plus y minus of, there is x plus what? A plus b whole square and y minus, that is b minus a whole square, square root is equal to what? X square root of what? X minus of a minus b whole square plus y minus of a plus b whole square plus y minus of a plus b whole square. Now squaring both sides. That implies squaring both sides. So what happens here? That is x root over cancel here. So x minus a minus b whole square plus y minus b plus a whole square is equal to x minus a plus b whole square plus y minus a minus b whole square. This can be also written as what? That is x minus a minus b whole square, and this is what? Plus y minus b plus a whole square. This is equal to what? This is equal to x minus a plus b whole square, and this is what? Y minus b minus a whole square. Now this is y minus b plus a whole square. Take y terms one side and x term one side. Separate this. So this is what happens here? That implies y minus b plus a whole square minus y minus b minus a whole square is equal to, that is x minus a plus b whole square minus x minus a minus b whole square. Suppose this is a and this is b. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. This formula. Which formula? Suppose alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha minus beta whole square is equal to 4 alpha into beta. This is formula for this. So alpha means y minus b, beta means a. That is 4 into alpha means what? Y minus b, y minus b, and beta means what? A. This is what? This is alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. So this is 4. Alpha means what? X minus a. Beta means what? B. So 4 cancel here. 4 cancel here. That implies multiply this. Ay minus ab is equal to bx minus ab. ab cancel. That implies ay equal to bx or bx is equal to ay. Proved. Okay. After this, we will discuss about what is area of the triangle. What is area of the triangle? What is area of the quadrilateral? Let's discuss about area of the triangle. Now, area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. When vertices are given. Vertices are given. Area of the triangle when vertices are given. Suppose this is the triangle A of x1, y1. This is one vertex. Another vertex x2, y2. Another vector that is vertices, that is x3, y3. Vertex. Its plural is vertices. If ABC be a triangle with its vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 respectively, then area of triangle is half of mode of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is mode because area cannot be negative. Or area of triangle is equal to, half of determinant of x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1, x3, y3 1. Or area of triangle is equal to half of mode of xy minus xy plus xy minus xy plus xy minus xy. एबे कौन 1 2 3 अच्छी जो पकेबा गोटे वैल्यू देख आमर 1 2 3 सपोज साइक्लिक नेबा एडे अच्छी 1 एडे अच्छी 2 एडे अच्छी 3 एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन जीवा तो x1 एडा हल्ला बाकी रहला के y2 minus y3 लिखा है तापरे x2 कवर कली x2 बाकी रहला के एमि एंटी क्लॉकवाइज y3 minus y1 एडा हल्ला प्लस x3 इंटू के y1 minus y2 हला और तुम डिटरमिनेंट एटा डिटरमिनेंट सिंबल और कौन करिवो ना एक्स वाई लिखि दो एक्स वाई ये लिखियो 1 2 1 2 2 1 रिवर्स तापर 1 2 पर 2 3 2 3 3 2 1 2 हला 2 3 हला तापर 3 1 3 1 आउ 1 3 एटा पकल मधे हबो ओके जदि एरिया 0 हो जिवो एरिया 0 हो जिवो तो एबीसी जो ट्रायंगल फॉर्म होउची आ ट्रायंगल हबो गोटे स्ट्रेट लाइन रहबो note that is if area of the triangle 0 note this is condition for collinear what is condition for collinear that is if area of triangle ABC equal to 0 then 3 points are collinear condition for collinear that is let a of x1 y1 b of x2 y2 and c of x3 y3 are 3 points if area of triangle ABC is equal to 0 that is what that is half of that is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0 then this is equal to 0 then this term is equal to what this term equal to 0 then what the points are collinear this term is equal to 0 then the points are what collinear this is 0 then the points a of x1 y1 b of x2 y2 and c of x3 y3 are collinear means what 3 points lies on a single line collinear now let us discuss about the problems based on area clear question 1 find the area of the triangle with vertices 1 2 3 4 1 by 2 1 by 4 solution of question number 1 this is the vertices suppose this is a of 1 2 suppose this is x1 y1 and this is b suppose 3 4 this is x2 y2 and this is c that is 1 by 2 1 by 4 that is x3 y3 the given point the area of the triangle formula area of triangle is equal to half of mode of that is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 apply this formula now 1 by 2 mode of x1 माने केते अछि 1 into y2 minus y3 4 minus 1 by 4 plus x2 3 अछि x2 3 हेला केतला y3 minus y1 1 by 4 minus 2 plus x3 माने केते अछि टी x1 x2 x3 that is 1 here 3 then half of y1 minus y2 2 minus 4 now calculate this so this is equal to 1 by 2 into 16 minus 1 that is 15 by 4 plus 3 into 1 minus 8 minus 7 by 4 minus 7 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into that is what? Minus 2. That is minus what? That is 1 by 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 determinants. So here 2 to cancel here. So minus 1. So half into area equal what? Half into half of what? 15 by 4 minus 21 by 4 and this is what? Minus 1. So LCM is equal to 1 by 2, LCM that is 4, 15 minus 21 minus 4, that is what? 15 minus 25. So that is 1 by 2 into mode of what? Minus 10 by 4. So this, that is what? This is equal to 1 by 2 since it is mode. So this is what? 10 by 4. Cancel करो तो कितना ला 5 by 4. This is equal to 5 by 4 square units. Question number 2. If the area of the triangle with vertices, solution of question number 2. Area of triangle with vertices. Suppose एटा origin देइछि 0 0 origin 0 0 एटा होछि केते 1 0 b टा होछि 0 a 0 a. Area of triangle will be given area of triangle OAB is equal to 10 units. So by the formula, this is suppose x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. Now that implies what? Half of x1 0 into any number 0 लिखिवा दरकार नहीं, plus x2 1 into y2 x2 y3 minus y1 a minus 0 plus x3 माने 0 0 into n number 0 ही जब लिखिवा दरकार नहीं is equal to 10. तो कौन हो सकता है ना mode of a by 2 is equal to 10. That implies mode of a is equal to 20. यदि mode उठेबी plus or minus a हबो is equal to 20. So a is equal to plus or minus 20. Value of a equal to plus or minus 20. This is answer. Question number 1 completed, 2 completed. Now question number 3. Now solution of question number 3. Solution of question number 3. Suppose a of केते 1 4 एटा x1 y1 कंसीडर करो, b टा होछि केते 2 7 एटा को x2 y2 कर दियो एंड 7 c टा होछि 7a 7 a एटा को x3 y3 कंसीडर करो. आर कोलिनियर तो कोलिनियर हले हमहु जाना अछि 1 by x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into केते y3 minus y1 plus this is x2 and this is what x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. तो वैल्यू पुट करो, that is half of एटा हाफ टा सेपरेट गले 0 हो 0 into half 2 0 हिला. तो x1 into right x1 into x1 मान केते 1 into y2 minus y3 7 minus a plus x2 into 2 into y3 minus y1 माने a minus 4. First x1 into y2 minus y3, then x2 into y3 minus y1, then x1 x2, then x3 7 into y1 minus y2, that is 4 minus 7 is equal to 0. Clear? So this is 7 minus a, this is 2a minus 8, and this is what? 2a minus 8, this is minus 3, minus 21. Minus 3 into 7, minus 21 is equal to 0. So calculate a is equal to what? Minus a plus 2a, that is a is equal to what? That is here 7 minus 8 minus 1, that is a equal to minus 22. So it has minus a plus a, this is what? Minus 22. So a is equal to what? 22. Value of a is equal to 22. This is the area based problem. Now some shortcut tricks how to find the fourth vertex of the parallelogram. Shortcut trick. Now we'll discuss some shortcut tricks how to find the third vertex if two vertices of an equilateral triangle are given. Suppose equilateral triangle, that is if trick 1 if x1 y1 and x2 y2 are two vertices of an equilateral triangle, then its third vertex is equal to that is x1 plus x2 plus or minus root 3 into what? y1 minus y2, x1 plus x2 plus or minus what? Plus or minus root 3 y1 minus y2 whole divided by that is 2 whole divided by 2 comma here y1 plus y2 minus plus, this is minus plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 divided by 2. This is the formula, shortcut formula to find the third vertex. Now one question related to this concept. If if two vertices of an equilateral triangle are 3, 4 and minus 2, 3, then find third vertex. According to this, here x1 is equal to what? Suppose 3 solution 3, 4. This is x1 and y1, and minus 2, 3. This is x2, y2. Then third vertex formula. Third vertex is equal to what? Third vertex. Use this formula. Use this x1 plus x2. This is x1 plus x2. So x1 plus x2 means what? 3 minus what? 3 minus x1 plus x2 means 3 minus what? 2 plus or minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 4 minus 3 whole divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 4 plus 3 minus x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 3 whole divided by 2. Here root 3 present. So calculate this taking both positive first. So 3 minus 2, that is what? 3 minus 2. 1 plus, that is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, comma, here plus sign, first plus sign. Here minus sign first here. It is minus plus, minus sign first. 4 plus 3, 7, and minus 2 minus 3, minus 5. Minus 5, ये minus plus by what? 2. Root 3 अच्छी, root 3. That is 7 minus 5 root 3 here. 5 root 3 by 2. Or taking bottom minus sign जो ये तल साइन ना माइनस अच्छे प्लस अच्छे तो केते हम 3 minus 2 1 minus root 3 by 2 ये 4 plus 3 7 है plus minus 5 root 3 by 2 जदि डेरिवेशन करिवो ए बी सी नहीं कि डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला ए बी सी ए डिस्टेंस इक्वल ए डिस्टेंस नेले पूरा पेज लागिवो एटा शॉर्टकट मेथड ना अनदर शॉर्टकट मेथड ट्रिक 2 जदि हाइपोटेन्यूज देथिबो एजी फॉर्मूला टिके मार्क करो ट्रिक नंबर 2 ट्रिक नंबर 2 कौन कहूची सेम कॉन्सेप्ट द हाइपोटेन्यूज रो एंड पॉइंट देथिबो हाइपोटेन्यूज ऑफ आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल एटा देछि आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल राइट एंगल आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल राइट एंगल्ड आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल ए देथिबो एटा बी देथिबो एटा सी देथिबो सपोज ए पॉइंट देछि तुम x1 y1 ए पॉइंट देछि x2 y2 ए बी पॉइंट केते पाई फार्मूला होची दिस इज इक्वल and this is 90 degree then the formula here root 3 absent here root 3 absent same formula isosceles right angle triangle हेले से इक्विलेटरल रूट 3 हो आइसोसेलेस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल जो एंगल जो वर्टेक्स रे 90 डिग्री होची तार कोऑर्डिनेट केते ए फार्मूला अप्लाई हो हला इफ दैट इज ट्रिक 2 इफ x1 y1 and x2 y2 are two vertices of two endpoints of hypotenuse two endpoints of hypotenuse of a right angled isosceles triangle then coordinate of third vertex that is then coordinate of the vertex where the perpendicular meets then coordinate of the point where perpendicular meets where the angle is 90 degree is equal to this formula. Okay, this is shortcut formula number trick number 2. One question related to this concept: if two endpoints of a hypotenuse of a right angle isosceles triangle are 7, 9 and 3 minus 7, then third vertex is dash. Use this formula. Direct use this formula for short question. Okay. Now another concept, that is shortcut trick 2. This is trick 2. Now trick 3. how to find the fourth vertex of the parallelogram if three vertices are given. Trick 3, if three vertices of a parallelogram or rectangle or square are given, then to find fourth vertex. Suppose this is the rectangle or square. This is suppose A, B, C, D. A given, B given, and C given. Now D is equal to what? So D is equal to formula A minus B plus C. This is shortcut formula to find the fourth vertex D. This is valid for rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram, all valid for all. That is what is parallelogram, valid for parallelogram, rectangle, square, also rhombus. This is also valid for rhombus. Now one question. Now application of this trick number 3. If 4, 8, 0, 2, 3, 0 are three vertices of a rectangle, then find fourth vertex. Suppose solution. Suppose এটা rectangle ଅଛି A, point ଅଛି 4, 8, 0 to B ହେଲା 0 to C होची 3, 0 and D केते पचाछि and D is equal to dash. So according to this formula, so D is equal to what? A minus B plus C. Now A means 4, 8 minus B means what? 0, 2 plus what? 3, 0. So first सब add करो, first component 4 minus 0 4, that is केते हला 4 minus 0 plus 3 8 minus 2 plus 0. तो केते आसी 4 plus 3 7, that is what? 7 8 minus 2, that is 6. So 7, 6 is the answer of, that is fourth vertex. Clear? Now area of the quadrilateral. How to find area of the quadrilateral? Area of the trick 4. Area of the quadrilateral. Suppose this is A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3, D, x4, y4. So area of the quadrilateral, that is what? Half of area of quadrilateral is equal to half of same formula 1 2 3 4 गोटे anti-clockwise जिबा, that is what? Mode of xy minus xy, एमती चार्टा टर्म लिखा प्लस xy minus xy प्लस xy minus xy प्लस एक्स वाई माइनस एक्स वाई एम चार्टा टर्म लिखा जो आमर अच्छी 1 2 3 4 अच्छे ना नहीं 1 2 3 4 फास्ट 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 सरला 2 3 2 3 3 2 3 4 3 4 4 3 4 1 4 1 1 4 यही फर्मुला जिते हेल्ले पेन से पेंटागन हो जहाँ 1 2 3 पकई क्लॉक वाइज आम ना तापर रिवर्सटा करवा वन क्वेश्चन होमवर्क पर फाइंड द एरिया फाइंड क्वेश्चन फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द quadrilateral with vertices 2 1 minus 1 1 3 5 minus 4 minus 1. This is homework problem. Using this formula find the area of the quadrilateral. Now division or section formula. Now division or section formula. Division or section formula. Division formula. Division formula or section formula. तो section formula. Got line segment. Suppose this is AB line segment. A point P divide the line segment AB in the ratio, suppose this is M and this is the part N, then how to find P? Then P point is what? P point is dash. This is formula for to find the internal point which divide the line segment AB in the ratio M is to N. Now the coordinate of the points, we can write the coordinates of the points. We can write the coordinates of the points. The coordinates of the points P which divides the line segment. This is suppose x1 and comma y1. This is suppose a of x1 comma y1 and this is x2 y2. The coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining the point x1 y1, that is a of x1 y1 b of x2 y2 are x coordinate equal to एटा एपटे मल्टीप्लाई हम या सहित तो x coordinate equal to mx2 एंडा एपटे मल्टीप्लाई हम प्लस nx1 डिवाइड by m plus n and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Therefore p coordinate, that is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. It is internal point बाहर करने पर formula. Now this is internal division. Divide the line segment joining the points in the ratio m is to n, in the ratio m is to n internally. This is internally. In the ratio internally. Then the coordinate of the point is equal to x and y. Write the points. Now external division. This is first internal division. This is one is internal division. Now external division. Number 2 is what? External division. Second, external division. Same point A ରହିବ ଏଠି, point B, and the point P is outside. This ratio is equal to M and this ratio is equal to N. If P divides line segment AB in joining x1 y1 and x2 y2 in the ratio m is to n externally, then coordinates of P, जो फॉर्मूला इंटरनल लिखा है प्लस जाओ सब माइनस है कौन हम ना दैट इज कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P दैट इज m x2 minus n x1 divided by m minus n comma m y2 minus n y1 divided by m minus n. Okay, now midpoint formula. Third one is midpoint formula. The midpoint, coordinate of the midpoint joining 2 points. Coordinates of midpoint of line segment joining x1 y1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Another form of the division formula. Another form of the division formula or section formula. Other form of division formula. Let the ratio is equal to lambda is to 1. Then the point of division is equal to lambda x2 plus x1 divided by lambda plus 1 comma lambda y2 plus y1 divided by lambda plus 1. If lambda is if lambda is positive, if lambda greater than that is positive, then the division is internal. If lambda less than 0, that is negative, then the division is external. Now problem based on division formula. Now find the coordinate of the point which divide the line segment joining the point. Suppose a point, solution of question number 1. Suppose this is a point 3, 4 and this is suppose minus 6, 2. This is B point. तो रेशियो टा होची P point डिवाइड कोची 3:2. तो कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P that is x is equal to what? X is equal to এটা এপটে মল্টিপ্লাই হবো, এটা হচ্ছে x1 y1, এটা হচ্ছে x2 y2. তো 3 into -6 plus 2 into 3 डिवाइड बाय रेशियो कौन अच्छे आमर 3:2 रेशियो अच्छे 3:2 इंटरनाली. तो प्लस फॉर्मूला पड़ो डिवाइड बाय व्हाट 3 + 2. तो ए y कोऑर्डिनेट दैट इज व्हाट -18 + 6 -18 + 6 by what 5 -12 by 5. So y coordinate is equal to what? Y coordinate is equal to 3 into 2 plus 2 into 4 by 2 into 4 3 into 2 2 into 4 by 3 plus 2. Yella 6 plus 8 that is 14 by 5. Therefore point of division is equal to what? -12 by 5 comma 14 by 5. This is solution of question number 1. Now solution of question number 2. Now solution of question number 2 is what? External division 1:2 externally minus formula. Solution of question number 2. Solution of question number 2. The points that is x1. Solution of question number 2. Question number 2. x1 y1 given what? 1 minus 2. x2 y2 given what? 4, 7. Ratio is equal to what? 1:2 external. So formula is what? X is equal to ये होची m, ये होची n, mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, and y is equal to my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. So x is equal to m means 1, x2 means what? 4, 1 into 4, n होची 2, x1 means 1, 2 into 1 divided by m minus n, 1 minus 2. So x coordinate is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2 by -1. So this is -2, and y coordinate equal to what? Y is equal to m into y2, m hala 1, y2 7, 1 into 7 minus n, y1, n into n mane 2 into y1 mane kete -2. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, m into what? M into x2, m into that is m into what? Y coordinate. M into y2 means 1 into 7, then 2 into what? 2 into -2 divided by m minus n, that is 1 minus 2. So y coordinate is equal to 7 plus 4, 1 plus that is 7 plus 4, 11 minus 11. So point of division is equal to -2 minus 11. Now solution of third bit, midpoint formula. Solution of third bit, midpoint formula. Solution of third bit, that is solution of 3. Solution of third bit. Now midpoint midpoint of the that is the line. Suppose solution of third bit, this is suppose A 0.34, B 16, this is midpoint suppose M. So midpoint formula, midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, that is 3 plus 1 by 2 comma 4 plus 6 by 2, 4 by 2 to 10 by 2, that is 5. This is answer. These are some problems related to the division formula. In next video we will discuss about what is centroid of the triangle, what is incenter, what is orthocenter, what is circumcenter, and some shortcut formula also. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.